So welcome to another of the Duffel's unboxing videos for the Souber tools opening kits. This is the advanced kit, but this one is the upgrade kit. So there's a very specific reason you would purchase this kit, and that is if you want to have all of the tools in the advanced Souber window opening kit, but you've already got the standard Souber window opening kit. So instead of needing to buy a complete new advanced kit, you would buy this one. This is the upgrade kit, and you would then deposit all of the old items from your standard kit into this larger carry case, which comes complete with all of the additional items that essentially turn it into the advanced kit. So with that in mind, we're going to actually do that process today, and we're going to upgrade our standard kit, which is here. Here's our standard Souber Tools window opening kit. We're going to upgrade this one by purchasing this advanced upgrade kit, the window opening upgrade kit. So if you purchase it, this is what you will receive. So this is our unboxing video, and then we'll show you the purpose of it. So as we expect in this range from Souber Tools, these really good cases housing all of our parts. Some literature in there again, as with the other kits, a little product overview of some other Souber Tools products, and a kit content sheet. And then inside this kit, we have got vacant slots for our standard Scotia Guard, our mushroom strike, our standard mushroom strike, and our mini spreader tool. So these are the things that will come in the standard kit, and there's spaces for them in our kit. So we would take the contents of our standard kit, which is these three items, and we would now store those in our advanced kit. And additionally, we would have the three items that come in our advanced kit, and we've now got a complete full advanced window opening kit. So, what do we get in our upgrade kit? We get the Deep Scotia Guard. So this is a Scotia Guard for ornate profiles, deep profiles. That's included. The standard one, obviously, you would already have if you were buying this upgrade kit. You get these extended mushroom striker tools. These are the long reach ones. So, as discussed in the video of the full advanced kit, what these are for is on shoot bolt S-bags, things like the Saracens, there's Trojans, there's some Macos, some other ones. The roller is at the extreme end of the mechanism, and it can be very hard to get at it if it needs to come backwards towards the gearbox. So if it's a reverse S-bag, shoot bolt S-bag, getting that action onto the roller, onto the mushroom to strike it, can be basically impossible. What this does is reaches in behind, wraps around it, and you can then strike and pull it in that way with these long reach strikers. These are really, really good. We've used these in practice demonstration days with Souber. Very, very effective at getting into hard to reach locking points on failed mechanisms. They're handed for obvious reasons, so we've got one of each hand in this kit. Left and right, long reach mushroom strikers. So once we take the parts from our standard kit, we've got our standard mushroom striker, and we've got our standard Scotia Guard that we'd already have, and we've got our little starter spreader tool there. That is now a complete advanced kit. That's everything you would get in the advanced kit, but you haven't had to purchase double of any of the things you already had. You just get the larger case, and you get the three components that you wouldn't have had before. That's the purpose, and that's the contents of the upgrade kit. So this is the Souber Tools window opening kit upgrade version. Hope you find that useful.